morning students, welcome back to the EBS class. How are you students? Hope you all are safe in your homes. Yes dear student, already we have started learning about my body. Yes dear student, today I will tell you I am very happy because so many students you are sending your video clips. Is it? They are very nice. Means you are telling your body part names. So very really you are doing very nice. Keep it up. Okay, dear students. Already we have completed explanation of the lesson my body. Is it, dear student? In this we have learned many different body part names. Okay, we have learned the name of different body part names. Also we have learned the uses of body parts, means which body part we are using for what purpose. That thing we have learned, and also dear student we have learned about 5 finger names. Is it? So this is the thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger and baby finger. Yes, we have learned about the different names for different fingers. And dear student, in this lesson we have learned about the face. Yes, many of the students have drawn very nicely the face diagram and have filled the different names of face parts. Is it? So really you have done very nice work. So keep it up students. So in this lesson again we have learned sense organs. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಈ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಗ್ರಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಓಪನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 179. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 179 ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ಗ್ರಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ದ ಗ್ರಿಡ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫೇಸ್. Find them, circle the words you have found in the word box. One has been done for you. So one side the word names have given and another side only the letters have given. We have to find out these words, means whatever the name of body parts you have given, we have to find out in this grid and we have to circle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರಿಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಗ್ರಿಡ್. This is the box. In this we have to write the letter X, 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 N, X, Y, Y. Okay. So again here L, I, P, S, X. Then X, Y, X, Y, X. Next M, O, U, E, H, mouth. Then Y, S, X, Y, X. Again here X, E, A, R, S. Here again X, X, Y, X, Y. Then here E, Y, E, S, X. Okay dear student, here in the enter box they have given the body part names. First one is eyes, nose, then lips, ears, then mouth. Okay, dear student, we have to find the names of body parts. Okay, first one eyes. We will search EYES eye. Yes, dear student. In the last column, just you see E, Y, E. Yes, these are the eyes. Okay. We have to search because the remaining all means in the grid many of the letters are X and Y and only the body part name letters are there. So we can find out easily. So E, Y, E, S, eyes. Next is means eyes finished. You have to circle for this also. Next one is student L-I-P-S lips. Yes. Here in this first column, first row, just second row, just you see L-I-P-S lips. Yes, we have circled this. So again we have to put a circle here. Next one is student nose. Just we will see where is the nose. Yes. Yes. Dear student, this from third line, just you will see N-O-S-E, nose. Okay, this also we have find. Next, dear student, what they have told to search? E-A-R-S, ears. Yes, E-A-R-S, ears. Okay. Next, we have find this also. So we will circle here. Next remaining word is M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Yes, dear student, in the second line, then you see M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Okay, dear student. So this is the grid. The grid below has the names of the parts of the face and find them. Circle the word you have found in the word box. This is the word box and one has been done for you. Means they have already one. They have shown here nose. Okay, N-O-S-E, nose they have already done. Okay, dear student. So this is about the grid one. We have to complete the grid. So take it all of you. Next, dear student, things to do. Okay, dear student, this you have to complete and send it to my WhatsApp number. So dear student, after this one we will try to complete. Okay, dear student. So things to do. How good are your eyes? Means we have to check up your eyes. Yes, dear student, I will draw here two frogs. Yes, this is like this. Yes, this cartoon name is Tiny. Okay. And another one is there, that also we will draw here. Same it is there, just only little difference is there. Okay. Okay, dear student. So its name is Wonky. What they have told? Look at the frogs carefully. Yes, here two frogs are there. Can you tell which frog has wider mouth? Tiny or Wonky? So this frog name is Tiny and this frog name is Wonky. Okay. So measure each smile with a ruler. What did you find? Just dear student, you have to take a ruler. Means scale you have to take and from here to here you have to measure how much it is. And this also measure. Means this is how much. Okay. Means just you have to measure the distance and write in centimeter. Means how much wider this mouth and how much is wider Wonky's mouth. So from this we have to compare. Means whose mouth is wider. So by seeing also we can understand this mouth is smaller and this one is wider. Okay. So Wonky's mouth is wider. Understand, student? Means why this example has given? Means we have to check how good are our eyes or your eyes. Okay, dear student. Here two frogs picture has given and you have to check out Whose mouth is wider, Tiny's or Wonky's? Understand, student? So you are checking the mouth of both frogs, Tiny's and Wonky's. By this you will understand whose mouth is wider. Okay, here I will tell Wonky's mouth is wider. By seeing only we can understand. Otherwise you have to take the scale and measure the distance of both the frogs. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಪ್ಪೆಗಳ ಚಿತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದರ ಬಾಯಿ ಈ ಕಪ್ಪೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಹೆಸರು ಟೈನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಹೆಸರು ವೋಂಕಿ. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಈ ಬಾಯಿಯನ್ನ, ಟೈನಿ ಬಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಹಾಗೂ ವೋಂಕಿ ಬಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಕಪ್ಪೆಯ ಬಾಯಿ ಅಗಲವಾಗಿದೆ, ವೈಡರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ವೋಂಕಿ ಇದರ ಬಾಯಿ ಅಗಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬರೆದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Dear students, so this is whatever we have learned. This is about our my body. So till here this total explanation, evaluate part solving, everything I have completed. After this also, dear student, once again I will tell you, if you are having any doubts about this lesson, just you have to call me, ask your problem. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, dear student. But today's homework is you have to draw this grid box and put the letters, and in the next side, after next to the box, again box 1 you have to draw and write down the names of the body parts, and these body parts you have to circle in this grid. This also sent to me, and draw 2 frogs, Tiny and Wonky, and measure the mouth of the Tiny and Wonky, whose mouth is wider. That also you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, dear student. So till here total this lesson explanation is completed. Dear student, after this, just in the next video class I will start the new lesson. Okay, I am going to start the new lesson. Okay, before starting the new lesson, dear student, one basic video class I will make and I will send it to you, because basic things in that about the environment, basic things we will try to learn. Okay, dear student. So one basic video I will do and I will send it to your group. First you study that video, then we will go to the next lesson, lesson number 3. Okay, till here today I will stop. Take care, be safe, be home. Okay, thank you.